guys, welcome back to Samco Painting and Decorating YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do surface cleaning on this driveway. We're gonna using high pressure wand and surface cleaner from Kacha 15-inch. This is really good surface cleaner, because you can attach it to the wand. The only downturn, it can flip over, so you have to be careful not to lift it high, because this one moves like that, so it can flip over. But it's really good for cleaning roofs because of the sprayers are sitting very high, as you can see on here on the side. They're sitting very high, and when you spray roof, they don't hit the tiles. It's very easy to clean with, so yeah, it's very light too. See how we go here on.